How to repost someone's Instagram story onto your story. Hello everybody. If you want to do that, you can follow up this simple method. So one of the most easiest method is if someone has tagged you. So for that, you can head over to your DM at the top right corner. And once you head over to DM, you should be finding this option, these like someone mentioned in your story. Just go ahead and tap on that DM. And when you go ahead and tap on the DM, if that mentioned you, all you gotta do is head over to the story like this, and you should be finding add to story option on your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you do, it will lead you to your story section. You can tap to change the size like this, or you can place it like this as well, and tap on your story in the bottom left. And when you do, you will be reposting that story from your account. Apart from that, if not tagged, what you can do is you can head over to this story and you can screenshot. After that, repost it onto your account. So that's it for now. That is how you repost someone's Instagram story to your story. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.